total solar eclipse.
On April 8th, 2024, a historic total solar eclipse will sweep across North America.
Welcome to Montreal, a city pulsating with life and culture. But today, it's not just about the city. It's about a celestial event that captivates millions around the world. A total solar eclipse.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on a once-in-a-lifetime journey to witness the total eclipse right here in Montreal. We've got our solar eclipse glasses and we're ready to view this spectacular event. Safety first, folks. Remember, never look directly at the sun without proper eye protection. Eclipse glasses are a must-have.
So you're going to actually slowly see the moon block the sun. And at totality, the moon will be completely blocking the light from the sun.
The atmosphere here in Montreal is electrifying. Everyone is eagerly anticipating the moment when the moon completely blocks out the sun. Casting a shadow on our beautiful city. As the moon slowly moves across the face of the sun, the anticipation continues to build. It's moments like these that remind us of the beauty and wonder of the universe.
And here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. Totality. The sky darkens, the temperature drops, and for a few precious minutes, we're treated to the breathtaking sight of the sun's corona. Wow. Just wow. Words cannot describe this magnificent sight. Nature's grand spectacle. The feeling is awestruck amazement with a calmness of our connection with the cosmos. It's a moment that will stay with us forever.
The total eclipse comes to an end. we're left with a profound sense of wonder and gratitude. Thank you, Montreal, for being the perfect backdrop for the celestial show.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more adventures with us. Until next time.